Hello everyone and welcome back to the kitchen. Today we're making something simple, something humble and deeply comforting. We call it Paksiw na Isda, a classic Filipino dish where fish is gently simmered in vinegar, garlic and spices. I'm gonna add in pork as well, creating the sharp, savory and incredibly satisfying. You can use bangus, mackerel, or any firm fish that holds up well when simmered. We're gonna need coconut vinegar, very important. And today we're gonna use some cayenne pepper, or you can use green chilies. And we're gonna use a wide pot. Traditionally, they use a clay pot, but any pot will do. Okay, I'm gonna dice up the pork and I'm gonna fry it with some oil. Now the pork is crispied up a little bit. We're gonna put all our aromatics, the garlic, the onion, ginger, let's fry it gently while we wash our vegetables. Now we're gonna crush the peppercorns, very important. We slowly fry that as well. gonna cut it in half. It's too big for the pot. Now we place the fish on top of the aromatics. Just do it gently. Let's tidy up a little bit. Now we're gonna put now the seasoning. So very important, coconut vinegar, available in your favorite Asian store. Just put a big amount, could be like 2 cups. I'll put a little bit of water. This is optional. You don't have to. No. The fish I got is so big. So I'm gonna season it with salt. Oh, we're gonna put some fish sauce later on. We cover it. Simmer it gently. And from time to time we have to check it and shake it so it doesn't stick on the butt. Just like that. Make sure you still have a little bit of sauce left. We're not that far away, it's almost done. Check for tenderness. Check the seasoning. Done. Split up. Get some of the vegetables and make sure you have a lot of fried rice. Okay, get some chilies. Traditionally, this is eaten with a piece of banana. Lakatan, latundan, those kind of bananas. This is good. Give it some more sauce. Are we gonna eat it with a banana this time? This is how you properly eat it. That's it, guys. Try it. You won't be disappointed. So good. Thank you for watching. See you again next time.